Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Now to start off this tutorial, I'm just going to give my face a wee quick spritz with the Maybelline facial spray and then straight on to eyebrows as well. Boom. And then to prime, I'm going to be taking the Super Glory Bright and Pearly Radiance Boosting Cocktail. My god, that is a bit of a mouthful. I absolutely love this primer. It is so beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. It smells so good and it makes the skin look absolutely amazing. And of course gives the skin just such a beautiful radiant glow, as you can see. It's kind of similar to the e.l.f. Luminous primer at the minute. And straight on to foundation. So I'm going to be using these two foundations, the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation, the white one, and then obviously the Maybelline, what event is this? Superstay foundation. Obviously I'm mixing the two because the Superstay one is far too dark for me, and I'm just blending that in with my booty blender and all over those lips. I know so many people hate that and I'm so sorry, but I always have to cancel out my lips. So yeah, just blending. Don't really know what to talk about whenever I'm just blending in my foundation. And kneecap. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Alabaster. I always want to say Alabastard, but it's Alabaster. Oh dear. And we're still blending. Why? Oh yeah, we're on to something new. Great. I'm going to cream contour now with the Revolution foundation stick in F13. I don't like to apply my cream contour straight to the skin. I always like to put it on the bum of the booty blender and then blend it in that way. I have been absolutely living for cream contour at the minute. I am absolutely obsessed. It is just so beautiful. As you can see, once it's blended out, it just looks so beautifully natural in a way. And then setting everything and baking with my Elsie translucent setting powder. And then to soak up that to soak up the excess powder, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And then next on to highlight, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlight, a highlight I have not used in such a long time. It's a highlight I do not use that often because it is honestly so beautiful and I don't want to run out of it because I think it's discontinued, but I don't know. And then on to blush, and this is the wee blush from Colourpop in the shade Simply Sweet, and it is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm going far too quick. Bronzer, my god, Estee Lauder Pure Colour Envy Sculpting Blush Palette. Wow, yeah. And then I'm just going to bronze obviously with that. Now onto the eyes, the fun part. I'm going to be taking my MAC paint pot. I have been loving my MAC paint pot recently. I've been using it all week. And then onto the two eyeshadow palettes I'm going to be using today, the EYN Nude palette from Beauty Bay and the Colourpop Honey palette also. So first off, going on with the yellow shade. This is the slightly darker yellow shade in the palette, and I'm first off going to be packing and building up that shade just within the inner corner and also packing it into the crease. And then as you can see, I'm going on with the more pastel-ish toned yellow, and I'm going to be using that colour to then blend this darker yellow out. Still keeping it within my crease and keeping it still within the inner corner and just blending as we go. And then taking a clean brush, I'm going to be blending that into the centre of the lid, just so that it looks a bit more seamless. Into the nudes palette, I'm going to be taking that transition shade, and I'm now just going to be focusing this just on the outer corner. Same as the yellow shade, I'm just packing and blending as I go, still keeping it within the crease and the outer corner. And I think this is the clean blending brush I went in with, and I'm also just blending that into the center of the lid and up and out and all that good stuff. Into the Anastasia Dream palette, into the Sunshine shade, I'm going to pop this just in the inner corner for a nice wee highlight. And then for my lashes, these are Tea lashes in the style Olivia. And oh my goodness guys, this is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. I just wanted to let you know that I had this makeup on for hours this particular day and it did not budge. I think I only topped it up once because I was actually heading out that night, and it honestly lasted so well all day. And then now on to lips. This is the Toffee lip liner from Primark. And then the best nude liquid lipstick. This is the Burberry liquid lipstick in the shade. I genuinely can't remember, but I promise I will list it down below in the description box. It is honestly the best. It is such a comfortable formula. It's matte, yes, but it's like a velvet matte. And then I'm going to finish off the eyes, taking the nude palette and taking the darkest brown shade from the palette, and I'm taking that on like a wee pencil brush. No, I'm not. I'm taking that on an eyeliner brush, you twat. And then I'm just going to be pressing that just as tight to the lower lash line as possible. And then blending that out. And then taking the transition-ish shade, I'm also going to further blend that shade out. Just blending it right into the inner corner and all over. Back into the yellow palette again. I'm going to take that bottom yellow shade and I'm just going to pop this just in the inner corner on the lower lash line. Don't ask why. I thought it looked good. Okay? Yeah, I thought it looked alright actually. And then clear lip gloss. I never do this, so I thought I would spice it up a little and just put some gloss on. So this is the Colour vs Skin Clear Gloss, and I just thought that it pulled the look together quite nicely. And then obviously to finish off with the Morphe Continuous Set Mist. Love it. So guys, that is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.